Marinova Philippines. How does the Marinova skincare line helps you? I do believe it. Paano ba nakatulong yun? Ano ba pakiramdam nung pagkasabi sa inyo ni Ms. Marites, you will be the newest face and brand ambassador of Marinova Philippines?
For me, challenge na siya. Kasi skincare pag sinabi ng skincare, dapat proven and tested. Kailangan ako mismo maging
parang testament yun kasi kailangan yung product na i-endorse mo.
You have to believe in it.
Yes, you have to believe in it. Pag ginamit mo, maganda ang resulta, mas madali magsabi, di ba? Sa mga tao. So, sa lahat ng products, ano yung favorite mo?
Mystify.
Wow, Mystify.
Mystify, I have to try this. Mystify products.
Mystify yung favorite. Kasi hindi lang siya for face Pwede rin siya sa hair, actually.
Oh,
and then, may SPF 30 din siya. So, maganda siya for everyday errand mo na nasa bag mo lang.
Parang nakukonvince na kami ni Go.
Ako din nakaka-intriguing. Ms. Pao, how have these amazing products changed the way you approach beauty and skincare?
When it comes to skincare kasi, kailangan ko siya i-test muna.
Yes, tama.
And makikita mo na effective yung isang product, not just, kasi magiging testament yung mga tao na makikita ka.
That's right.
Glowing ka.
When you first tried these products, what was your experience?
For me, I have a sensitive skin kasi.
Okay.
And Marinova is, bagay siya for my skin type.
Because you have sensitive, well, actually a lot of people have sensitive skin, right? So more chemical heavy products tend to react negatively to sensitive skins, right? So sa bagay, toxic free yung Marinova products.
So maganda yung product talaga.
Maganda.
Sa dinami-dami ng products na na-try na natin dito sa Philippines, nung dumating yung Marinova, parang yun ba yung nasabi mo na sa sarili mo na finally, nakita ko na.
Excited ako. I-try siya. Kasi maraming naging good reviews and marami akong narinig na mga nakatry na lang. Okay siya. So sabi ko, I need to try. So nung na-try ko, totoo yung hindi siya chismis
Hindi siya chismis.
Nakita naman natin ngayon, glowing ang skin ni Ms. Pao.
It really is glowing. A true testament of the products. Last question, Ms. Pao. Is there any beauty tip for our audience or beauty hack, if you will, that you can share with us that involves any of the Marinova products?
Una is self-love.
Self-love.
Yeah. And then good skincare product. And I believe Marinova is the best skincare.
Amazing. Other than the Mystify, which you mentioned, kanina, what is one of your favorite products under the line of products that we're offering here?
Actually, they have serum foundation.
Okay.
Serum foundation is parang na-adapt lang sa skin mo.
So parang
it's very lightweight and parang you're ready to go.
Every day, no? Parang pwede mo siyang baunin.
Ang pa-fresh lang.
Pa-fresh.
20 for men also? I won't look like a woman?
No.
Or a drag queen? Hindi naman. Okay, i-try ko.
Thank you so much. Okay. Miss Marites, what's your message naman to
Yes.
your newest ambassador of Marinova Philippines?
Okay, para po si makalaman, no? First time lang talaga na makita ko si Pao last year. Kasi po, nag-produce ako dito ng Mrs. Universe, no? Last year. And sabi ko, nako, pag lumabas yung aming produkto, kasi ang Marinova po, ang ibig sabihin is a soulful beauty. So, ang kailangan po is kagaya ni Pao. She has a very good heart. She has a very good heart.
Kumbaga, beauty is inside and out.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yun pala agad yung nakita ni Miss Marites. Aww, bakit po kayo naiiyak, Miss Pao? Ano po ba yung nagpapaiyak sa inyo? No, we want to hear your heart. Parang kung ano meron nasa puso mo ngayon na you're the newest. Kasi totoo lang po, iba sa pakiramdam kapag ikaw ay trinas ng isang company to be an endorser, an ambassador of it. Bakit po? Ano pong message niyo po ba kay Miss Marites?
Soulful beauty, right? So it's not just on the outside. It's sinabi ni Miss Marites, it's in the heart as well. So super malalim. Kahit these products are just for the outside. I see may konting tears na. Sige na, Miss Tom.
Hindi kasi sa dinami-dami ng pwedeng maging endorser at kunin ni Miss Marites, ako po yung nag-iina. So yun po, sobrang thankful and blessed at the same time. Kasi parang kung para sa akin is 1 in a million na pagkaniwalaan po ako to endorse the product.
That's amazing. Let's give a big round of applause for that. Ladies and gentlemen, Money Nova products, self-care, we keep mentioning that word, right? But it also, we inspire self-confidence as well, because, to feel confident, you have to feel beauty. And that comes from within as well, not just on the outside. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our newest brand ambassador, Ms. Pao Fajardo. Let's have a quick photo opportunity with Money Nova's leaders. Mr. Henry, thank you for joining us, as well as Ms. Marites is here.